Hi everyone. Over the past few weeks, I've been seeing a lot of the same reviews about the bow drill kit. You buy this on Amazon. It's called a primitive fire starter, and it comes from SXTL primitive. Now, a lot of the same people, a lot of different people, just a lot of people in general do reviews on this, and they say it's horrible, it doesn't work, it's just junk, it doesn't. And now it comes with your little block, and yes, I've already done one little burn with it, but it comes pre-assembled, everything's tied off. As you can see, the one that I had purchased is very off-center. And then you might think, well, it's off-center, it won't work. No, it will work. It's just a lot of the people that have used this or showed their reviews of it don't fully understand how to work it. So their biggest issues with it that I've seen, they're pushing down way too much on top, and they're trying to get too much pushing. Another thing is this bearing setup, it's a 3-piece bearing. So the center ring is what holds all the balls. They're putting too much pressure on this, which is pinching that so it cannot spin properly. Another thing is this shaft and this hole, it's supposed to be a smooth hole. Well, because it's mass produced, this isn't filed down or sanded down smooth. It's just they cut it real quick and that's it. They drill this out and call it good. Take a little bit of sandpaper to this, or a sanding sponge, and get the high points down. Do the same thing in here, put some sandpaper on like a pencil and give her a spin. Now you can see this dark coloration here. That's graphite. I got the tube or a powder shaker of graphite. It's powdered graphite. Put it on here, put it on the ball bearings. Now it spins. I mean that is a smooth travel. Now I've got the tinder they send with. It's like a twine type tinder, but in my pack here I've got fire tinder. This is Tinder Quick fire starting tabs. Now these are a little bit different. These are little cotton tabs, compressed. You just feather it out, get something to, catch on, and stick that in your notch here, and that's what's going to be catching your embers. And then what you can do with this is you can even stick it in the long way here so it catches on the side. I've got a piece of real thick leather. This is like my scrap go-to. It's a junker. I'm going to do a quick drill here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now that you're set up down here, let's get to it. Now, see how this is considered a double-sided stitch or a double stitch pattern, 2 on top, one on bottom. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this in here. Now as you can see, this post, this upright is not straight or centered. Minimal pressure. You're not looking to get a ton of pressure on it. You're not looking to get a ton of friction. You're looking to get warm over time. I can already start smelling the heat coming from the wood. I can also see the little friction burn going here. Powder building up on top. Now keep in mind, I'm not putting a ton of pressure on this. Just enough to keep it in that little pit. And there is a little bit of time delay on it. Definitely smell that wood burning too. It's really heating up. Now, also keep in mind, I am standing. It's best to do this while kneeling. As I can see some smoke coming. See that smoke? See that smoke? A little bit more. Okay. And there you go. It works. Yeah, you got to put a little bit of work into making a fire, but that's the whole point of this. Okay, a little bit more work into it. Let's see if I can actually get an open flame out of this. See? Yeah. And all the reviews was saying that this does not work. This bow drill does not work. And that's what you're left with. The drill drills down into the wood, causing the embers to build up in this little patch here. And that's where the fire drill term comes from. All you need is a small notch and a little divot, which you can do that with any wood out there. There you go. The bow drill kit from Amazon, 13 bucks. It does work as long as you don't give up and you know what you're doing. All it takes is a little bit of finesse. I mean, Native Americans did it. Why can't you? I mean, look at this. Look at all that. All that material came off of my bow drill. Look at that.